In this video, I'm going to talk about how you can win this KoAloha Koalana. All you got to do is be part of our Blue Christmas Challenge. Stick around. I'm going to show you exactly how you can win. And I'll have a blue Christmas. Welcome to ukelikethepros. I'm Terry Carter. Thank you for being here. I'm so glad that you're interested in participating in our Blue Christmas Challenge and your chance to win a KoAloha Koalana Ukulele. So this is going to be really, really fun. But first of all, if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to the channel, turn on that bell notification, and then just leave a comment below if you're excited about this challenge that I'm about to throw down on you right now. So anyway, we're doing this Blue Christmas Challenge. I had one, I still do, for my premium members at ukelikethepros.com. But you know what? I wanted to do one for you, one that everybody can participate in and everybody can have a chance to win a KoAloha Koalana Ukulele. So all you gotta do, first of all, it's totally free to sign up. We'll put a link below where you go sign up. You're gonna get all the information and all the videos, the backing tracks, the PDFs, everything you need to enter this particular Blue Christmas contest. So it's going to be absolutely fantastic. So what we have here is we have a couple different versions of Blue Christmas. I did a harder one, fingerstyle chord melody version, and I did a simple strumming or strumming and singing one. And it doesn't matter which one you do, you have the equal chance of winning this or a KoAloha Ukulele. All right, let me show you a couple of the different versions that you can learn. All right, so first of all, we have a chord melody version. Now, this one's a little bit harder, a little bit more fingerstyle. I'm not going to play the whole thing. I'm just going to play a little bit of it. But this would be one that you can play. All right, so that's just a little part of it. That's the fingerstyle one. That's the chord melody, so you're hearing the melody in the chords. That's fingerstyle. Now, we're also going to have a real simple strumming version, because if that's too hard for you, that's fine. We're going to have a real simple, like, Christmas without you will be so blue just thinking about you. All right, so we're going to have a strumming version. You can strum or you can strum and sing. It doesn't matter which one you do. Again, sign up for free. Just click that link below. Either way, just go over there and sign up, because you're going to get all of these arrangements that I'm doing. I'm just giving them to you. My chord melody, all the chords, the strumming, the backing track will sound absolutely killer. And by the way, when you sign up, you're going to get access to the tutorials that I do on each version. I do a tutorial on the fingerstyle version. I do a tutorial on the strumming and the singing version. So this is our Blue Christmas Challenge. This one's going to be really fun. And again, this one is open to everybody, because I want everybody, including you, to participate. And once you sign up, again, you'll get more details on how do you enter and what you got to do for it. So come on, join it. You know you want to. The Blue Christmas Challenge, only right here, ukelikethepros. Click that link below. Go sign up. This is going to be a fun one, and I cannot wait to see your videos. Appreciate you being here, and we'll see you next time.